if you're changing sway bar end links with this style of sway bar end link, like an old GM car or something, where you have the bolt going through up from the bottom, you have a bushing on the bottom, a bushing on the top, then a washer, then a spacer, then another metal washer, then another bushing, then the sway bar, and then another bushing that has to go on top, and then another piece of metal, a little washer, and then the nut. And you find that it's almost like the bolt's not long enough. Like the sway bar is kind of fighting with you. It's up too high, but even if it wasn't, there's just not enough room to get the bushing and another washer and the nut on top. So what do? You get a floor jack underneath and push up. See there on the new bolt for the end-link kit. Put the floor jack right underneath it and compress it. So bring it up. Right onto it. You might need to put something in there like a hockey puck or something, but start jacking it up. And you'll see that that'll compress those bottom rubber bushings, and it's going to give you some more room to work with. There, and once you do that, you have the extra length. You should be able to fit your bushing, your washer, and with any luck, a nut on top. Play with it a little bit. You might have to hammer it a little bit, but yeah, that's going to thread on there. That's going to thread on there. So that's what you can do. Put a jack underneath. The bolt isn't too short. You just gotta use this little trick to compress those bushings so you can get things together, and then crank that bolt down and compress the bushings. Little trick for when you're changing sway bar end links. Thank you.